Today we're exploring the wonderful world of hibiscus, a vibrant flower that offers much more than just beauty. From soothing teas to time-honored wellness traditions, hibiscus has earned a special place in kitchens and natural health practices around the world. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a physician, pharmacist, or medical professional. I'm simply someone who has faced health challenges for many years. At 74 years old, I've discovered a few natural approaches that have made a meaningful difference in my life. Everything shared here is based on personal experience and research. Please treat it as anecdotal information and always consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine. Now let's talk about hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are instantly recognizable for their deep red color and tart, cranberry-like flavor. But behind that bold taste lies a rich cultural history and a growing body of research supporting its potential health benefits. Around the world, people enjoy hibiscus not just for pleasure, but as part of their daily wellness routines. One of the most popular ways to enjoy hibiscus is as tea. Often called agua de Jamaica in Latin America, hibiscus tea is refreshing, flavorful, and surprisingly powerful. Studies suggest that hibiscus tea may help naturally lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. It has also been linked to better cholesterol balance, helping reduce LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, while supporting HDL, the good kind. Many people also drink hibiscus tea to support weight management, as it may help improve fat metabolism. Its antioxidants support liver health, and its vitamin C content helps boost the immune system. These benefits are why hibiscus tea has become a favorite wellness drink worldwide. But hibiscus isn't just for tea. In the kitchen, hibiscus flowers truly shine. Their rich red color and tangy taste make them perfect for jams and jellies. They add depth and brightness to cocktails and mocktails, and they bring both flavor and color to desserts and sauces. In Mexico, North Africa, and the Caribbean, hibiscus drinks are a symbol of hospitality and celebration. They're often served to guests during holidays and special gatherings. Hibiscus isn't just food, it's tradition, culture, and connection. Beyond the kitchen, hibiscus has long been used in traditional wellness practices. It has been used to help ease menstrual discomfort and support more regular cycles. In natural skincare, hibiscus is prized for its antioxidants, which may help improve skin tone, reduce acne, and promote a healthy glow. Some even refer to it as the Botox plant because of its reputation for supporting youthful-looking skin. Hibiscus is also known as a natural diuretic, helping reduce water retention and bloating. In hair care, it's often used to promote shine and encourage healthy hair growth. These holistic benefits are why hibiscus continues to gain popularity in the natural health community. That said, hibiscus isn't for everyone. While it's generally safe, hibiscus can significantly lower blood pressure, so anyone taking blood pressure medication should speak with their doctor first. It may also interact with medications for diabetes or cholesterol. Hibiscus is not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding, and people with allergies to plants in the Malvaceae family should use caution. As always, moderation and mindfulness are key. If you'd like to try hibiscus at home, there are several simple recipes you can start with. A classic hibiscus iced tea is easy and refreshing. Hibiscus ginger tea is perfect for colder days or immune support. Hibiscus lemonade offers a bright, tangy twist on a summer favorite. And hibiscus jam makes a delicious spread with a beautiful ruby color. I've included step-by-step recipes and additional details in the full blog post. So if you'd like to dive deeper into the benefits, learn more about the science, and get the complete recipes, be sure to read the blog or click the link below. Everything is laid out clearly so you can explore hibiscus safely and confidently. Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to visit the blog, click the link, and discover how hibiscus might fit into your own wellness journey. Stay curious, stay healthy, and enjoy the simple gifts nature provides.